How's it going, everybody? This is Mark with AtTech, and in this video we are going to be comparing every single Apple Watch ever, seeing how fast the brand new Series 4 boots up, and if it is as awesome as Apple makes it seem. Now, they made a huge change to the processor inside the Apple Watch, and it is much faster, and I notice it every day how snappy it is compared to every single Apple Watch. So, there's a lot of changes on the outside, but are the ones on the inside worth it? Let's go ahead and check it out. So I was absolutely surprised by how fast the Series 4 boots. 33 seconds. That's almost the same amount of time it takes for my iPhone XS to boot. Series 3 was 1 minute and 21 seconds. And just for comparison, a couple years ago, on an older version of watchOS, we did compare the very first generation Apple Watch to the Series 2. First generation's on the left, Series 2 is on the right. It took 1 minute and 23 seconds for Series 2 to boot, and it took 2 minutes and 8 seconds for the very first generation Apple Watch to boot. So 33 seconds compared to 2 minutes and 8 seconds, that is a major change in technology over the past few years. And I am extremely impressed, and 33 seconds, that's incredibly fast for an Apple Watch, and I love it. Well, there you go. If you like this video, leave a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. This is Mark, and I will see you in the next one.